Got a work order here for a no cooling call. 79 in here, and we're set at 72. And sounds like I hear the refrigerant moving. No indoor blower motor. And we're iced up. So let me get this shut off here. Alright, we'll go outside and check out the outdoor unit there. And alright, here's a look at the outdoor unit. See, we're all iced up there. So, go inside, pull the cover off, and see what's going on with the indoor motor there, not kicking on. Alright, got the thermostat cover off here. We'll jump out the thermostat here first, see if that fires it up. Red to green. R to G. Oh, there it is. So it looks like we might have a bad thermostat. Can hear the water draining too. It's starting to melt off. Alright, I'm just going to pull the disconnect out and we'll pull the cover off. We'll just check the cap on here, make sure it's not weak. And I actually have another thermostat here, same type. I can just pop the front on there. Ended up changing this for somebody that didn't want a programmable thermostat, so ended up putting the Honeywell 3000 in for them and held on to that just for this very reason right here. Had quite a few of those. Forget what they're called. Brayburn. Had a few of those. Go bad on me now. So out of them though, except that one there. So I'm just going to finish taking these screws out and we'll check the cap on here. Alright, we got the cover off. Now we'll disconnect the capacitor here. Give it a test. And we're looking for 7.5 and we're reading 7.4, so the cap is good. So we'll just let that in there and swap out the faceplate for the thermostat, see if it fires up. Alright, here's the one we took off, and here's the one from the shop that I had. And we'll just turn it to fan on. And there there's the fan. Alright, so we know it's the thermostat for sure. Turn that back off. And we're going to give the coil a cleaning. Then we'll put the new filter in. Alright, I sprayed the coil cleaner on there. The Diversitech, the green indoor coil cleaner. It's a no rinse, but I got the pump sprayer here, just water. I like to rinse it off anyway. Make sure, you know, clean the drain out and all that stuff. So we'll go ahead and rinse it down. Alright, I hear the water draining, so we know that the drain line's good to go. Throw a new filter in. Actually, before I do that, got some pan tabs. I like to put 4 in there. I think it's 2 per ton, and this is a 1.5 ton. Let's see here, oh no, this is a 2 ton. Okay, 24. Most of them are a 1.5 ton in the 1 bedroom, but this one's a 2 ton. So anyway, got 4 pan tablets in there. New filter, and we'll call for cooling. Fans on auto, set at 72 and it's 79 in here. We got it on hold. Here's the refrigerant, there's the fan. Alright, bad thermostat. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.